Do you know how much money will your family need if something happens to you? If you go to internet, you will find many rules. कोई बोलता है 15x लो, कोई बोलता है 20x लो. And if you go to any portal or see any of these ads, ये 1 crore का figure लिखा होता है. Is 1 crore enough for your family when you are not around? Or let me ask, how much money is enough? And अगर आपने cover decide कर भी लिया, तो अब ये extra cover, riders, add-ons, ये क्या चीज़ है? Hello and welcome to Power Academy. If you are in this process of buying life insurance and figuring out कितना cover होना चाहिए, क्या riders लेने चाहिए, this video is for you. Meet Sangram, who is in this process. So far, he has decided to buy a term life plan. Why term life? Check out the previous video for that. तो चलो देखते हैं how he decides his cover and what are the extra add-ons that should be included in his policy.
I went to one website जहाँ पे it was written 10x of your salary, of your annual salary. दूसरे website पे it was some figures and some value, some form. I filled that. वहाँ पे 2 CR आया and I opened a reputed company. I believe I'm not allowed to say the name, but it showed me 1 CR. So after all of this, I had reached 2 figures, 1 CR and 2 CR. So I just averaged out 1.5 CR का cover is.
This is exactly what you shouldn't do. So you should calculate the actual amount that your family would need when you are not around. It requires 3 things. One is your age. Second, your family's average monthly expense. And third, any liabilities, any loans that you might have. We have actually a calculator that does all of this. So इस calculator को use करके let's see how much covered should Sangram actually have. So this calculator asks for your age, your policy tenure, which is basically आपको कब तक policy चाहिए, your average monthly expenses, and note, this is your family's monthly expenses, not yours, and any outstanding loans that you might have.
Oh, it's showing 2.85 CR. I had gotten 1.5 CR, so I think I was very off.
Quick tip. So technically, your life insurance should be till your power age, the age at which you hit financial freedom. But यहाँ पे Sangram has put till 60 years, which is okay just to be on the safe side. So what this calculator basically does is that it adds up your family's monthly expenses, inflation adjusted, till the end of the policy. So यहाँ पे Sangram की family के monthly expenses were 50,000 today, but when he turns 60, those monthly expenses will be 4.88 lakhs. So forget all these rule of thumbs and calculate the actual amount that your family would require. So now let's move to section 2, which is what are riders and these add-ons to the policy.
I was actually annoyed कि अब और क्या है, and it showed add-ons. I don't know genuinely what riders, what add-ons are, and एक दो free, I think something called waiver of premium, I think waiver of premium वाला एक free मिला था. That's it. जो paid थे I am not choosing them.
यार यही होता है. So आप इतनी मेहनत करते हो to decide life insurance, cover, everything, but then last में riders पे रह जाता है. But guys, riders are as important as policy. Imagine what happens when you are still around but then unable to earn. So suppose you get into an accident or have a disability. While you will be around and so you will not get your life insurance cover, but then you will still need that financial support to get through all the medical expenses, and that is where riders kick in. जैसे स्कूटर का एक sidecar होता है, वैसे ही riders are like this sidekick to your policy that ride along and give you that extra protection when needed. यहाँ भी काफ़ी सारे riders, add-ons आप देखोगे, but then there are 4 that are very important. The first and the most important rider is critical illness rider. This basically kicks in if you are diagnosed with any of the critical illnesses. अब आप सोच रहे होगे कि I have a health insurance. I don't need this. But think about this. It's not just about the medical bills. But what if you are not able to earn for a significant period of time? This extra cushion of money will help you there. Also, a very important tip here. When buying this rider, always go through the website because the critical illnesses vary from company to company, and go through that fine print of TNC. Because I'll tell you there are multiple cases where claims have been denied. So अगर आप ये policy check करो, यहाँ पे अगर angioplasty में you are claiming the amount, the blockage should be 50%. Or see, this brain surgery should not be due to accident. So there are multiple nitty-gritties that are applicable. So go through the document very carefully. So the second rider is the disability rider. This typically kicks in if an accident leaves you with a partial or permanent disability. Usually insurance companies pay up to 10 years after the incident, and this will be helpful as an alternate source of income for you. Now the third rider is the waiver of premium benefit. So you might be thinking ki if I'm diagnosed with a critical illness or I meet with an accident, I still have to pay premiums for the rest of my life. Well, not so with this benefit. So it's like a safety net for your safety net. And then the fourth rider is an important one. It's called life stage benefit. So आपका जो भी cover आज है, it's not necessary that 10 years later you would have the same cover requirement. You will have milestone events like marriage, having a kid, and your cover requirement will increase. So this rider helps you to top up very seamlessly. So now you must be thinking कि ये सारे riders लेने हैं क्या? Well, not necessary. As I said, critical illness is one of the most important riders. बाकी के लिए I think you can take your own call. Well, I think आज के लिए काफी सारा information हो गया. So let's call it a day. I hope this was helpful in one step further in your life insurance journey. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments.